Hey, good morning there, friends. I just want to let you know that this is day 3 of our camp, English Camp 2023, and have lots of kids eager to roll this morning here as it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. And we had a relatively pleasant evening last night. We did have sirens, but praise the Lord, we had no missiles to deal with, at least in our region. And so kids seemed to sleep well. They said they were happy for no real activity going on last night. So thank you for your prayers. Again, our goal in this camp is to show them some English. We want to teach them English. We have 3 different levels of English that we graded them out as they entered in. They took little tests to see where they're at on the English scale. Most of them know at least some English, but again, not a lot of fluent speakers by any means. So 3 levels of beginner is really what is here. And but we teach them, use Bible verses to teach the English in very constructive ways. Thank you for enabling this to happen. We are so grateful to be joining the Lord in His work, because we must remember it's always His work. We just get the pleasure and the privilege of joining Him in His work. God bless you all. Have a great day.